Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important remedy. Important in the sense that you have been using that remedy very frequently in relation to headache and mind symptoms. I'll discuss the skin symptom of that remedy, that is Natrum muriaticum. Very important skin symptom the remedy has, and if you know the exact symptom or exact entry point from where to prescribe Natrum or from which symptom, you'll have very good results in your practice. Remember, in Natrum, the skin is dry and there is inability to perspire. This is very important to remember. Of course, there are a lot of remedies like Dulcamara or Pulsatilla or Calcarea, Rustox, which have this type of symptom, but Natrum also has it. Inability to perspire, and this symptom is so well marked in Natrum that it is written that inability to perspire even when exercising, like Calcarea carp. पेशेंट बोला डॉक्टर साहब मैं कितना भी एक्सरसाइज करूं, ये आपको पेशेंट बोलेंगे आपको ओपीडी में, मैं कितना भी एक्सरसाइज करूं मुझे पसीना नहीं आता, आजू बाजू वालों को देखता हूं इतने गीले होते पसीने से, आई सी पीपल अराउंड मी सो वेट इन perspiration. I do lot of gym, I do lot of weight training, I do lot of aerobics, but I hardly perspire. So inability to perspire while exercising is again an important entry point of Natrum. And because of this, the patient has a sensation as if there is electric spark like sensation in the skin. That is also a very important symptom of Natrum. Electric spark like sensation because of this lot of dryness. Again, this symptom you should compare it with Calcarea carp. These are very interesting symptoms of the remedy. Sometimes it immediately catches your mind and you can enter the case very easily. So when this is there, the eruptions in Natrum generally are, or they come when they are being overheated. Eruptions general overheated from being. They go in the sun, they go stay in a warm place near stove, it is said, or it is whichever creates the body warmthness or overheated, then the eruption starts coming. Now you have to think this symptom very close to pulsatile also. So these are a very important entry point, and it is said that whenever a Natrum patient has eruptions, first inability to perspire, but if he has eruptions, it is basically on the perspiring parts. See the beautiful symptom of Natrum. See the PQRS symptom of Natrum. Eruptions, basically, if it happens, it is in the perspiring parts. Again, very close to Pulsatilla or Calcarea. See how close Calcarea goes to Natrum in skin complaints. And it is said that eruptions of Natrum are present more on the hairy parts. The patient says, wherever there is lot of hairs, I have eruptions. Very close to again Calcarea carp and Rustox. That is what comparative matrimony is like. Immediately 1-3 marking symptom, and you must have at least 2 or 3 remedies to compare so that you can ask the patient to select the remedy from your knowledge of Mater Medica. And do remember Natrum, if it is Natrum, it has to have some relation with the sun. So Natrum has eruption generally from sun. Now there are a lot of remedies with that symptom, but sun symptom has to be there in Natrum. Now as you go to that from the eruptions part, you have to remember one thing in Natrum, and that is urticaria. Urticaria in Natrum, remember the patient comes and tells you, whenever I am doing exercise, whenever I am doing violent exercise, again the example of gym, whenever I am doing exercise and gym, whenever I do weight training, I get a lot of urticaria, itching, rashes in the body. That is again a very important symptom of Natrum skin, that is urticaria from violent exercise or urticaria before menses. Again, whenever you have urticaria before menses, do think about Dulcamara also, because Dulcamara is again a very important remedy like Natrum. Or it is said that urticaria from warmth exercise, whatever exercise, maybe walking, fast walking, which creates warmth in the body, that also aggravates the urticaria, similar to Dulcamara, similar to Pulsatilla, that is Natrum. These symptoms, very interesting symptom, very common symptoms of natremure. And of course, before I close, I remember that in natremure, the warts are very large. Again, very similar to dulcamara. The warts are large, or it is said that the warts come in groups or groups or crops. They are come in crops. That is again natremure. And wherever the warts come in crops, think about natremure, very close to dulcamara also. So these are some of the very interesting, very interesting entry points of natremure. You have to remember, because these symptoms are such important and differentiating feature of natremure that you should never miss the remedy. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.